Welcome to this video on the foundations of special and inclusive education, focusing on supporting learners with physical disabilities. Our ultimate goal is to move from simply providing access to achieving positive educational outcomes for every learner. This involves empowering students to participate fully and is focused on empowerment over limitation. We begin with Part 1, the foundation, which is establishing an inclusive mindset. Everything starts with how we perceive our students and their abilities. Shift your perspective to focus on what's possible. Effective educators create a can-do culture by championing student ability and potential, rather than focusing on limitations. Part 2 is the framework, creative accommodations and adaptations. This is about designing the path to ensure every student reaches the same learning destination. We need to rethink the task, not the goal. If a student cannot physically perform a task, the objective remains, but we innovate the method, design a different task that demonstrates the same knowledge or skill. The adaptation process can be broken down into 3 steps. First, examine the activity, analyzing what students need to do. Second, identify the core learning outcome. Third, implement practical adaptations to bridge the gap. Resourcefulness is a superpower. Specialized equipment doesn't have to be high-tech. Simple materials can be used effectively to create items like pencil grips, book stands, or slanted writing surfaces. Part 3 is the community, fostering participation and support. Remember that inclusion is a team sport that requires a community effort. It is essential to use smart precautions for full participation. The aim is a safe environment that encourages engagement by managing risk intelligently. Students should be encouraged to participate in the full range of activities. Physical education is a great example of inclusion in action. Creative adaptations ensure active participation by modifying rules, introducing adaptive sports, or focusing on personal fitness goals. Build your support system. Effective inclusion leverages the collective expertise of the entire community, including teachers, peers, parents, family, and community members. Be an advocate and create a ripple effect. Your positive approach and successful strategies can inspire change throughout your school and community. Your Inclusive Educator Playbook involves 4 main steps: mindset first, adapt creatively, encourage full participation, and collaborate widely. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, there's no problem, only a solution when it comes to inclusive education.